Inyunyana yezisebenzi I-SATAWU yethembise ukuvala thaqa yonke into eTransnet kusukela namhlanje. Ngesonto eledlule lenyunyana yahlinzeka lenkampani ngencwadi eshoyo ukuthi ihlose ukuteleka kanye nenyunyana i-United National Transport Union. Omalungu ayo aqala ukuteleka ngesonto eledlule ngoLwesine. eTransnet ithi lesi siteleka asikho emthethweni njengoba umqashi engabekanga imithetho yalesi siteleka. Amalungu ezinyunyana I-SATAWU kanye neUNTU afunge agomela ukuthi azosiqinisa lesi siteleka eTransnet. Zombili lezi nyunyana zisenqabile isiphakamiso sokunyuswa kwemiholo esibekwe yiTransnet. Izinyunyana zithi lesi siphakamiso singaphansi kwezinga lokwehla kwamandla emali elihleli ku7.6%. Zithi iTransnet yephula umthetho iLabour Relations Act njengoba yenqaba ukucikica isivumelwano malungana nomthetho wokuteleka. Lezi nyunyana ke zithi ukwenqaba kweTransnet ukwenza lokhu akukho emthethweni njengoba inkantolo yezezisebenzi yasichitha isicelo sayo sokuthi lesi siteleka sihlonzwe njengesingekho emthethweni.
Since the beginning of the negotiations, we have revised and improved our offer about 4 times, taking into account issues of affordability and sustainability for the company, and as well very mindful of the rising cost pressures that our employees, like all South Africans, are facing given the current economic conditions. Our biggest challenge, Iman, is the fact that our salary bill is currently sitting at 66% of total operating costs. This is neither sustainable nor desirable.
Amalungu enyunyana ahlangane ngaphandle kwechweba lasePort Elizabeth kanjalo nasengquha eGqeberha namhlanje.
At the 1.5 or the 3% that is being offered by the company, it's an insult to the workers. Transnet is making money. Transnet has been bailing out other state-owned companies. We want this strike. We want workers to get what is due to them, what benefits them.
We were mandated from the members that anything above the inflation rate. So we won't be coming out if the company say no 5%. We know our mandate was 7%, 7.6% and above. Remember, we originally started at 13.5%. The members are also now a little bit back down to say, okay, inflation rate and above, but nothing less than that.